What's up, YouTube? Back with another video, and today what we will be getting into is we'll be taking the TC over to my boy Z's crib, and we'll be helping him take apart the IPL. So I'm finna load up the car right now, put some tools in there. We gotta make a run to advance, grab this special tool to separate coolant lines or whatever, the still ones. Give y'all a little cold start real quick. Quick note with the fitment we're running, gonna change, so we got 225 45s right now. I was gonna do 235 35 to fill this extra little gap here and raise the car just a little bit. I'll probably do 225 35 or 225 40 with the spacer, or we'll go with a 215 40 or 215 35 to get the stretch look that I want with a 15 mil spacer. So we are pulling out of the driveway right now. Dude, this thing sounds so crazy, bro. Yeah, it's loud, it's raspy, but we also got the ultra quiet resonator sitting in the back. It's just a matter of time before I get that put on. Now we are sitting in traffic. One thing about traffic now, man, over here in this area, it's just so bad. It never used to take long to get to his house. Now it takes like 15 minutes, bro. It's crazy. There's a Honda Pilot in front of me with a custom plate. That's another thing I gotta get done soon, is a custom plate. I have a couple ideas. LOL K24. Another one that I like is BBL TC, because I have the facelift on the rear bumper. It got a nice little Tome dock. But nah, we're almost there. Just wait till we get this thing tuned, bro. If any of y'all know how to retrofit the 2014, 2016 paddle shifters into the 2013s, because the stick shift manual, it be doing it, I like it, but like it be times like this where I'm holding the camera where I wish I just had some paddles to click through. So we now officially made it to my boy Z crib. Y'all see this beautiful gym. Oh my gosh. I don't know what those taillights are, but they hit. Add-on wheels, triple chrome, yellow calipers, frosted tulip wrap. This thing right here is crazy. I mean, VQ cam got a little comp. I don't think it's another cleaner G and Gwinnett than this G37 right here. IPL. He got the Rev 9 coils. We're rocking the same coilovers. I tried to see what his stiffness was at. Dude is maxed out front stiff. When I put mine on full-way maxed out, I was over there flying around in the driver's seat while I was driving the car. Already got the intakes out. This is already loose. Got the sensors unplugged. We really just got to take off a couple more stuff on the bottom end on the side, and it'll be ready to pull. I feel like I'm the only one in Georgia be running this one wiper. It don't even feel real like this my car. That's how much work has been done. We're gonna have to throw some spacers on here. Fitment looks crazy though, just for a lower car. And mind you, I didn't test fitment. I lowered it on the coils, dropped it down, and I was dead on with fitment. I don't think I changed anything. I'm just waiting for these tires to go, and I might go 215s. This will be stretched instead of like poked out. I mean, I don't know, bro. Yeah, I need that stretch fitment. Run 215s. It'll just look better, and throw some spacers on here. And I might keep the 45s too, cause I don't know, if I go 35, it'll give me more room to go low, but I don't have any room to go lower. Like, if I put y'all underneath the car, y'all see the exhaust is like this high off the ground. Like, you put this shit on stiff, bro, I don't know why I feel like you riding on bricks. We ain't gonna go all the way. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're gonna go, that'll be 30, so I'm 2 away from max. All right, bet. Figure out how to polish these headers some more.
They do look nice though.
We about to head to Advance. Catch y'all on the flip side. All right, so we cashed out at Advance. If y'all are not Advance perk ward members, tap in. Just save $15. Supposedly it's about to help us take some radiator hoses off. I know y'all like, y'all can't take rubber hoses out. Nah, bro, chill. They're still hoses. We got the part. We about to head back to the chop shop and get the stripping the G apart. So we got the G situated. We got it on level ground. Cause at first, he's gonna throw it on all 4 jack stands right here. If y'all look at the driveway, shit, just a little sketch working on a car on all 4 jacks on the incline. We rolled it down right here, and we're gonna try to get as much stuff done as we can today. We got the tripod set up right here. We tried to get these cooling lines off the heater hose. We broke this red small adapter for the bottom one. We was gonna break the green one, but we was like, we're just gonna try to take everything out, see if we can just take it out and then finagle this through here. Maybe take that bracket off to help us twist it. But we unclipped everything down here. We got this freed up. So this is getting ready to come out. Make sure to tune in to his channel and see the other flip side of the video.
Fast Life Zoe, come on.
But yeah, we got the whips outside making progress. As you can see,
Yeah.
me and Fast Life Zoe, we got the radiator off. It's chilling right there in the grass. Part 1 done. We went through a couple of complications. On the radiator, a couple of these hoses we just took off from we took this screw off right here, just fished it through the front, and we left it on there connected, and we just put it over there. I hope y'all enjoyed. This is part 1 of the teardown. We got this beautiful built IPL on all 4s. It's jacked up. Behind the scenes, we're just gonna work on taking the exhaust out. But if y'all want a full glimpse of everything that's done in this whole video, make sure to tune in to Fast Life Zoe, and you'll see the whole process. We're just gonna tackle taking out this beautiful custom exhaust. You can leave a comment on his video if y'all want the sauce for the exhaust setup. After we take the exhaust bolts out, this beautiful IPL motor will be taken out, and we'll be putting another HR in. So y'all stay tuned. Hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Stay blessed.